What's up? Hold on. Hey you guys. So anyways guys, so today I'm gonna be cooking like for the first time in my life. Yeah, I don't cook. I really don't. But since I'm gonna be a mother now, I guess I have to learn. And my mother's also getting older, so you know. Yeah, so you guys are going to come with me in the kitchen today. I mean, like, once you're not dead, you haven't passed anything yet. I think that's the saying. So yeah, it's never too late to learn things. I just hate sweating. I hate the heat. So I mean, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. I don't know. We shall see. Anyways, guys, so I'm just gonna take these chicken now. Oh gosh. Season these up. And like, I'm trying to be a better girlfriend as well because I mean, like, why not? I'm like, I don't want to give this man too much wife privilege, but anyways, babe. So I'm just gonna let that chicken soak or sit. Girl, you can tell I cannot cook but soak. I'm gonna let the chicken sit for a couple minutes. Now I'm just gonna go inside the rice. Okay, this is the nervous part. Okay, hopefully my rice come out good. Okay, I'm gonna put way less water just in case. I prefer raw rice than soggy rice, okay? Because you can always add water to cook it, to finish cook it, okay? So I'm just gonna wash my rice because I see babe doing it. So okay, get some jasmine rice. Anyways, I really don't know how this food is going to come out, but I'll let babe be the judge, okay? And if it's good, I probably take my mother some. And you guys, as you can see, like, I'm trying. I fixed my hair today, put on some lip gloss, eyeliner. Yeah, I'm trying. Anyways, enough talking. Let me get started. Okay, y'all, I'm all done cooking. Okay, so we go. This boy is going to be the judge of my food. Okay, this is food. Same chicken, white rice, and black beans. Okay, we're going to let babe be the judge. See how this tastes. My first time. How it tastes? What? All right. Okay, so I'm all done. First time. It's a charm. Anyways, I'm not eating that. I don't even know how the food tastes. I'm gonna eat later because I'm not hungry. Okay, you guys, since the food was a success, it really came out good. I'm gonna take some food to my mother because I think she's been waiting on this her whole life. Okay, like I have these instincts, whereas like I know what I'm doing, but I don't know. Like when you watch people cook for a long time, but you observing them, but you're not really observing them. Like you just know, but you don't know. Anyways, whatever. I'm gonna start cooking more, try other stuff. So yeah. Anyways, let's go. So anyways, babe. So I just dropped the food off um by my mother. She wasn't home, but yeah, but I found her. And she was down the road by my aunt. Okay, because she can eat that food. She's gonna eat that. I'm gonna ask her to taste later. But anyways, so we babe stopped by this place to get some cups. Yeah, he want me to taste these cups. Okay. Taste the red one. Anyways, guys, so these are cups, right? We got these cups in the Bahamas. Let me know where you from and what you guys call this. How much are these? These small ass cups. But they still do the same. You don't know, but when these dogs that shrimp.
See, they ain't no biting all like they puppy is like they ain't no biting all like they see them and they running after them. Like you see me out there, they ain't running in the back. You put your foot in the play, baby. You play that, yes, you know.
Hang on, do a video. Hey guys, good morning. Anyways, so just finished eating breakfast. At least it's been like an hour now, okay? So anyways, guys, so the day is wash day for me. I'm gonna wash my hair, take these braids out, then re-braid my hair over again.